It may not be possible to be happy always, but you can rejoice always. Because happiness is not joy. Joy is different from happiness. Happiness is the feeling you derive from achievement, from a success. You did something, you paid for something, you bought a new house, you bought a new car. You have that feeling of happiness. But when it comes to joy, it goes a bit deeper than that. And that's part of the thing that we will be considering. Joy is deeper than that. Until the revelation of worship becomes personal to you, you are just making noise. Until the words of the songs you are singing becomes revelational to you and becomes personal to you. Until the words are your words, then you are not worshiping yet. When we sing, we just want our voices to be heard. We just want people to know that we have beautiful voice or voices. We want people to know that we can sing. But it's not a show anymore. Because until your voice begins to strike chord in the corridors of the spirit, God will know somebody is worshiping. What gives power to your voice is the state of your heart. If your heart is panting after the Lord, if your heart is hungry for the Lord, then you can enter the realm of worship.